Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube live session. In this YouTube live, I would like to discuss about my AA course and especially about doing online business, small scale online business. Okay, let me first share my screen. Okay, so I will be sharing my screen first. Okay, so that I can show something on my screen, right? So I'm just sharing the screen. Okay, if you have any questions or if you find any audio issue, just let me know. I hope you will be viewing this, right? This screen, okay. And before going further, I would like to check the audio quality. If anyone is watching this live, just let me know your feedback about the audio, and I will be personally checking it through mobile. 1 second, I will be checking it. And I hope clear audio is very important for doing any kind of discussions effectively. Okay, okay, I will check from computer. Okay, so the channel is QPT. If you're if you want to watch it later, just remember this handle at QPT or my name Rajamanikam Anthony Muthu. Okay, so let us check the audio quality. So the live has started. So you can check my previous live. Suppose if you want to learn Python or AI, RAG especially, I already did free webinars. So audio is okay, but some kind of noise is coming. Okay, I need to try to fix that. Okay, okay, okay. Let me continue this, and if there are any other issues, means just let me know. Okay. So here, this is rajamanikam.com, and I would like to answer questions about my products, especially my AA course and books, and about buying books from this website rajamanikam.com or amazon.com or amazon.in, whatever it is your question. Just ask me. I will answer that answers if I already know the answer. Otherwise, I'll be doing some analysis and I will be replying to your answers through comment section. Okay. So basically, I would like to talk more about doing online business in this live because already I talked about my AA course, but I'll just give some overview so that beginners can, those who are first time watching my channel can know that. So I created this AA course by putting a lot of effort. Yeah, right now it has more than 8 hours of tutorial videos that will teach AI, starting from basics and up to RAG, AI agents, MCP, context engineering, a lot of things. You can just go through the details, okay? And you can buy it from this site rajamanikam.com, or I provide a link to buy using UPI or PayPal link also. That things you can click this link and you can check. Okay, just visit rajamanikam.com and you can find the details. Okay, that is about my AA course. It has a lot of tutorial videos and a lot of ebooks and a lot of code samples and a lot of infographics. Okay, that is really useful for both beginners as well as professionals. Okay. Okay, so that is what right now I'm doing. I'm selling my AA course and I'm doing one-on-one AA coaching. Okay, so that is what my main thing these days. But I would like to use this today's live session to discuss about doing online business. Okay, a small scale online business. Like right now, I'm doing sales of books and AI course, like that kind of digital sales. Okay, and about digital marketing, other things, and how AI can help you to do that effectively. That's what I would like to share in this slide. So you can ask your questions related to that topic. If you have any questions, just ask me. Okay, I will be answering here. Otherwise, I'll be just sharing my thoughts. Okay. So before going further again, I would like to tell that I already published a free book sharing my experience of earning money online. Okay. So here you can find the details. Just click this ebook, my experiences of earning money online. Okay, suppose if you want to get that link, I will be sharing the link through the chat. But that book I released some time back. Okay, it's not the latest one. I would like to share the latest information through these kinds of live sessions. Then maybe I will be coming up with another book. Okay, so this book is free. Anyone can freely download this. You have to specifically you have to enter the price as zero. Okay, for the download this book. Okay, so that is for sharing my experiences of earning money online. But I started earning money online from the year 2008. Okay, through AdSense and the freelance work, website flipping, lot of things I explored. I shared that experience. But right now I am doing one-on-one coaching using tutor sites like Preply, that kind of things. That I would like to share that in the upcoming book. Okay, I want to first give answers for the questions from the viewers so that I can get more information to release the book. That is the reason why I started this live. Okay, so I would like to get questions from the users first. Okay, so in that case, just ask your questions. I'll be explaining that. And let me first tell what currently I'm doing. I'm selling this online AA course, right? This course, I use this rajamanikamsaya.com, that site. But in fact, it is gumroad.com. Okay. So I use this custom domain name for my part of Gumroad. Say my part of Gumroad in the sense it is rajamanikam.gumroad.com, that subdomain. For that, I'm using rajamanikam.com as alias name. Okay. Rajamanikam.gumroad.com. Okay, so similarly, if you want to sell your own products through Gumroad, you can do that. Gumroad supports sales globally. Okay, so that will be taking care of taxes, other things. So it is very beginner friendly, but it will take 10% commission. Okay, but compared to our own things, actually, I'm. Uh, Actually, I tried even tried various approaches. Okay, my own way of like I set up WooCommerce or things, but I stopped that kind of stuff because I realized that payment chargebacks, that and all huge issues if we do it by ourselves. Everything okay, though technically we can do that. That kind of legal things and tax related things, handling everything is bit difficult, right? Gumroad is doing all that heavy work, and in that case, it is very easy. Okay, but Amazon also doing that, but that will take lot of lot most percentage, right? So Amazon will be giving traffic also, but in case of Gumroad, we have to uh, uh, like uh, uh, add our own get our own traffic. Okay, so both are completely different thing, but Gumroad is more flexible, more useful, and moreover we can use custom domain, right? So in future, even so if we find any issue with Gumroad, we can set up our own WooCommerce or any kind of own setup, right? But the domain name will be still same, right? So that is one unique advantage of Gumroad. So I thought of doing with Gumroad, and moreover, Gumroad provides affiliate thing also. So right now, if you decide to promote my AA course or my books available at rajamanikam.com, I'll be setting you 50% affiliate commission. Okay, so that you can promote that. So that kind of affiliate things we can do. Suppose if you decide to sell something, just to open your account with Gumroad and to start selling that. And for getting the traffic, you can ask your friends to promote it for commission. Okay, so that is a good approach. Okay, but we need to find appropriate people who are interested in acting as affiliate to promote your products. Okay, okay, that's what right now I'm doing, but a lot of other ways are there. Okay, so it's up to you to choose the appropriate one based on your product and other your global reach or your local thing. Say, for example, if you use Gumroad, if you are in India, it may not be that much suitable for India customers because India people from India can make the purchase even based on the country. Like here, I'm seeing from India, right? so it's automatically giving discount because of purchasing power parity. That kind of features are there, but still it lacks relevant payment methods. In India, people will be expecting to use UPI payments like GPay, Paytm, that kind of stuff, right? So that option is not there in Gumroad by default, and uh, like net banking, that kind of stuff is not there. Okay, so in that case, you may be looking for some other alternate, right? Um, but if you are planning to target global audience, including India, people in India can use the Gumroad shopping option using credit card or any kind of cards. Okay, so still they can make the purchase. Actually, my AA course, people are buying my AA course from India also. Okay, so that is not a that much restricting factor, but the conversion may be little low because of that reason. Okay, so there are various things are there related to payment methods, right? So, but overall, for beginners, it is a very good opportunity. Okay, so you can just start uh, promoting it. But if you do right now, if you don't have any product, but if you want to explore about online uh, making online money, then just join as affiliate for my product, right? So that you can immediately start earning money just by promoting it. Okay, so I already put the heavy work of creating that AA course. Right now there is a huge demand for AA course. That case you can easily earn money. If you need more details about that kind of business, maybe you can check my other book, this book, ebook, Earn Money Selling AI Courses. You can freely download this course by using the discount code affiliate. Okay, just use the discount code affiliate. The price will become zero. Okay, so you can just check that. So I provided a lot of details there. And anyway, if you need any details, just send an email to me by sending an email like I using the ID rajamanikam.a@gmail.com. I provided that ID in the homepage of rajamanikam.com itself. Just visit rajamanikam.com, and here you can find the email ID. Okay. Um, so just send the email based on your details. I will be talking to you through Google Meet to discuss further. Okay, whether you want to join us affiliate, or if you need one-on-one AI coaching or any kind of business collaboration or any kind of things, you can just send an email. Okay. Okay. So basically, for earning money online, there are different ways. One is for doing freelance work, but that is all fully saturated, right? You can use websites like freelancer.com, Upwork, Fiverr, or lot of sites are there. So let me show some things. Upwork is famous one, right? Upwork. So they we need to set up a lot of things, but still after that, I missed it. All right. Okay, Upwork. Here they will be listing their job. Maybe we can apply for that. Lot of things. Okay. So this is very standard one, but here also even I tried to use this for a few months, but I found it difficult to get any work from here because for bidding previously I long back I did a lot of projects through freelance site like Rent a Coder. Okay, that time that one was very famous. That was then renamed as VWorker, then merged with freelancer.com. Okay, what I'm trying to say is freelance, that is one approach, but long back when I started doing in the year 2008, that time it was somewhat simple. Okay, but now getting that kind of projects is really very difficult one. Even if you are able to get the project, you need to spend money for getting that. For bidding, you need to make pay the money. Okay, so that's a state of freelance work right now. Okay, and even if you consider other sites like freelancer.com, they there you have to subscribe for that monthly payment, and In case of 5 RR, their commission is high. Even that case also, we don't have much control. That whoever is uh, willing to get our service, they have to contact us, right? So that kind of restrictions are there, limitations basically. So basically, based on my experience, right now it is very difficult to get that kind of freelance work through that online things, genuine things. A lot of fake things will be there. You may be ending with spending a lot of your time freely for someone. Okay, so I won't suggest that kind of stuff. So in that case, maybe I would suggest like building a strong social media presence through Facebook or LinkedIn, and a small website, and there you can just like contact the potential customers by sending the details to them. So that is like a bit difficult task. It will take time, but somewhat reliable. Okay, I am still getting that kind of uh, opportunities, freelance work through my blogs. I keep on adding a lot of blogs. If you want to check my blog, you can search QPT blog. Okay, so here, Quality Point Technologies, right? Actually, I started this blog in the year 2008 itself. Then I shared a lot of information about web development, software testing, test automation, and the emerging technologies. Like a lot of things I shared. So based on that, my blog readers and my YouTube channel viewers, my channel is right now having more than 70,000 subscribers. So from there, I used to get inquiries, and if I have some free time, I'll be doing freelance work. Okay, and even right now I am fully focusing on one-on-one coaching, right? One-on-one coaching also, people are buying my who the people who are buying my ebook, they are showing interest to get one-on-one AI coaching. This is one way. This is a standard way, right? Personal branding, we have to brand ourselves. This is reliable one is we have to use the marketplaces. Another is our personal branding. So marketplaces are fully saturated. Okay, even sometimes I tried other markets like a t-shirt, custom t-shirt, that kind of stuff also. They are also the same thing. Okay, so it's fully saturated, that kind of stuff. But some course creators or some like design sellers or some kind of vendors will be projecting that you will be having a lot of opportunities, but you will be ending with spending a lot of money uh, in that case. Okay, so my suggestion is don't spend any money initially. Okay, otherwise you will be getting distractions from like course sellers or any kind of tool sellers, right? So most of the things can be done freely. Okay, but for scaling that business, you may need to spend money. That is different case. But for starting, it is not advisable to spend any money. Okay, especially for getting freelance work. But right now, that options, free options are fully closed. So only thing is you have to establish yourself as an expert in that field by adding tutorial videos and blog posts, and like you have to post on social media continuously, especially LinkedIn. It will be giving quality leads. Okay, so that is the good way right now. Okay, but anyway, if you are having solid plans for doing some kind of freelance work and you are expert in that, you can spend money for doing the bidding, but it's a bit risky. Okay. Mhm. So especially with Upwork, some standard sites you can try that. Okay, but what I'm trying to say is, 10 years back they were free. Now they are all paid. Okay, so there is very little opportunity, and moreover, AI, right? AI is taking that kind of job, like for writing work or any kind of web development work. Everything can be done with the help of AI. Anyone can create it. Say, for example, initially, I used to think about hiring web designers to create thumbnail images for my videos. Now I will be just asking ChatGPT to create the thumbnail. It will be immediately creating thumbnail, right? So that kind of change is happening. So going back to that kind of freelance kind of work is not advisable at this moment. So only choice is you have to learn AI, and you need to think about doing AI related businesses. Okay, especially using AI tools or selling AI tools, affiliate for AI tools, that kind of stuff. Okay, so the one good opportunity is, as I said, you can join as affiliate for promoting my product. Like you can establish a brand, you can just create a brand, and as part of your brand, you can just promote my product. Similarly, you can get products from other uh, places also, especially Amazon affiliate. But Amazon affiliate, they will be just giving very low commission. But anyway, that is somewhat reliable, right? So in that case, you can start in that way also. In that case, if you are interested to promote my books and other my books at the Amazon, you can click my books. So here you can find my Amazon.com link. Okay, so these are all my Amazon books. Right now I have 41 Amazon books. Okay, and in that case, if you want to earn money by joining us Amazon affiliate, in that case you can contact me. I can guide you how to do that. Okay, but I compared to this opportunity, promoting my AI course is a really good opportunity, because that price is very very affordable price, so the conversion can happen very easily. And it is full-fledged AI course. Okay, I didn't it includes a lot of tutorial videos, a lot of e-books, okay, lot of code samples. So people who are going through this will be surely buying this course. Okay, and to increase the conversion further, I can create you custom discount code also. For example, I share the discount code QPT, which will be giving 50% discount. Similarly, for your brand, I can create a discount code if you are actively promoting it. Okay, so in that case, I will be suggesting to focus more on Gumroad affiliate. Okay, in that case, specifically about this AI course, but it is applicable for other products also. But promoting this AI course will be useful, as the probability of conversion is good. Okay, but anyway, yeah, Amazon also it has its own advantages. One thing is, it has lot of products, right? Suppose if you are sharing my this Python for absolute beginner book to someone who is interested in learning Python, even if he is not buying that book, instead he is ending by buying another Python book, still you will be getting that commission, right? So that kind of advantage is there. Even he may buy completely different thing, some grocery or mobile device or laptop, something. In that case, also you'll be getting commission, right? So that is a good opportunity. And in that case, you can start with my products, because I can personally guide you how to create promotion things, like any website or something, if you do with my products. But anyway, as I said, even if that person is not buying my product, and if he is buying any products from millions of products from Amazon, you'll be still getting a commission, right? So that is the uh, power of Amazon. Though they are giving very low commission rate, affiliate commission rate is very low. Still, people are a lot of people are earning money from that. So in that case, you can consider that. But right now, the good opportunity is this AI course from rajamanikam.com, Gumroad site. So you will be getting 50% commission. Okay, and compared to Amazon, that payment methods and the payment life cycle and payment, that delay time, everything compared to Amazon, Gumroad is better. Okay, the minimum payout, everything is very uh, very many sensible. Okay, so in that meantime, if anyone has any question, you can ask me through the chat. I will be answering that questions. Okay. 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 So one easy way is, like as I said, starting Gumroad or joining as affiliate. Okay, let us take this example of joining as affiliate because that will be useful for me also, right? But anyway, if you have product, if you have enough time and skills to create your own course or own book or any product, even Gumroad will allow the sales of physical product, but that involves return other things, right? That is more complex. I analyze all these things compared to all the other things. Digital products are very easy and good. But anyway, if you have physical products, you can sell that also. But you need to consider about all the risk factors involved with that. Um, but the digital products, we don't have that kind of risks. Okay. Okay. So in that case, again, it's we are we are seeing a lot of advantages in doing the promotion as affiliate. Okay, if you don't have any solid product and if you don't have enough time to create your own digital product, in that case, I would suggest joining as affiliate. Okay, um, because I'm giving 50% affiliate commission, right? So you can easily earn money. That demand for AI course also very good, and I can personally guide you about how to use the AI tools effectively for doing the promotion. And if you have any questions about my product, especially this AI course, I can at any time I can explain the things. Okay, so that kind of support will surely help you to get more sales. Okay, that case it is something like your product, right? So that's what my highest suggestion. But anyway, you can suppose if you want to explore with your own products, you can do that. But that things will discourage you, right? Because selling online is not that much easy because anyone can easily start doing that. It is highly competitive thing. And uh, so mostly if you're trying for a few months and if you're not getting any sales, you'll be fully discouraged. So it is always better to start with high potential product, right? And at that perspective, this AI course is in high demand, and I'm giving 50 percentage to 75 percentage affiliate commission because uh, I can earn money from upsells. Okay, people who are buying this AI course mostly they'll be looking for a way to get some guidance, right? Some guidance for learning the things, or if they are struggling somewhere, they may need some personal guidance, right? In that case, they may be contacting me for getting one-on-one AI coaching or consultancy, or if they are doing business and they need to or use AI for their business improvement. If they are not having enough skills or time for doing that by themselves, they may contact me. Okay, and moreover, I used to send newsletters to all my customers. So in that case, I can upsell any other upcoming products. Okay, so that kind of upselling opportunity is there. That is the reason why I'm happy to share most of the major percentage with the affiliates. Okay, so it's a really good opportunity for you. And the Gumroad platform also, it's supported in many countries, and I can personally guide you uh, to start with this work. Okay, even I announced about interns, right? If you watch my previous video, you can understand my plan, that plan, intern plan. So in that case, if you want to join as the intern, we can discuss in that way also. Okay, um, so so a lot of opportunities are there in this perspective. Okay, anyway, that we can discuss later. Now let me talk in a general way. Okay, so you are taking some product, you want to sell it online. Okay, so one is, as I said, service freelance work, but that is right now the marketplaces are fully flooded with a lot of saturated. Okay, so right now there is a very little opportunity, but that thing is good thing only. But because of the competition, especially because of AI, that kind of works are getting reduced. People are jobless, a lot of people are jobless because of layoffs or things. So they are competing for, like, a lot of people are will be competing for limited work. Okay, so in that case, you need to start with very low price, In that case also you may not be getting the work, and it is difficult to increase the work, and a lot of things, they a lot of troubles are there. Okay, so in that case, that platforms were very useful around 10 15 years back, but now they are becoming irrelevant. Okay, anyway, if you want to start money earning money immediately by putting a lot of effort, you can start with Fiverr or that kind of sites. Okay, so you have to afford give your work for very low price, then you may get. Okay, but you can slowly you can establish your business step by step. Okay, that is one opportunity. But in this life I would like to focus more on sales, digital sales, online sales. Okay, online business. Okay, so business kind of stuff. Okay, so freelance, that is different topic. Maybe we can discuss if you have any questions about that topic. Otherwise I'll be fully focusing on this online um, business. Okay, not very full scale business, very small, simple, or maybe 1% business, that kind of stuff I'll be talking. So basically I will be sharing my experience. Okay, one thing is, you have to for selling the product online, you have to uh, have your product. As I said earlier, if you are not having a good product, in that case you can join as affiliate. You can either join as affiliate of a famous network like Amazon affiliate, or you can join as a affiliate of any individual, like you can join as my Gumroad affiliate. But joining as individual affiliate is very beneficial because of the high percentage and guidance. Okay, um, and once you decide the product, then you have to do the proper I I mean proper a platform for selling it, right? So in that case, as I said, you can use Gumroad, or you can use your own website, and you can set up WooCommerce, that kind of stuff, or you can use third-party sites like paid services like Shopify or Etsy. A lot of platforms are there. Okay, based on the product you can find, or even Amazon provides a lot of opportunity to sell their products through their platforms. Okay, but that and all okay. But again, if they are not making sales, you'll be getting discouraged. And if you are just closing that platform, means you'll be completely losing that traffic you worked for getting that traffic, right? So in that case, always I would suggest starting with your own simple website. Okay, create a website, get a relevant domain name, and just brand that one. Okay, that will be giving two benefits. One is you will be like establishing trust with your potential customers by sharing a lot of information about your product through blog posts, through videos. So that kind of trust building will be happening. Okay, and but anyway, compared to major sites like Amazon, your personal branding may not be that picking up that much speed. Okay, or that level of trust. Okay, but that general platforms are highly competitive. Okay, but if you are able to establish your personal branding, it can be used at any time. But in case of platforms, they will be removing you without any specific reason. Okay, that kind of risks are there, and your profile will be buried among millions of other profiles and other products. Okay, so that kind of risks are there. Okay, but in case of your personal website, you will be able to keep that for a long time, and you can use it at many places. Even you can just try to make the sales by promoting your website through social media, and through advertisements like Google ads, Facebook ads, that kind of ads. Okay, so a lot of advantages are there in that perspective, but you have to wait for that. It is not that much easy. Suppose if you are planning to sell it through a platform, that sales may be happening somewhat faster compared to your own approach. But in case of your own approach, you will be getting the benefits in the long term. Okay, say for example, it can start getting as traffic from search engines, and even recently the traffic are coming from LLMs also, right? So that kind of advantages are there. Okay, long term benefits are there. But you need to build a positive or like trust. Okay, so that is important. That will take long time, so you need to understand that. And once you decide your website, okay, suppose if you want me to develop your website using WordPress or any kind of custom website or something, you can contact me. I can do it for affordable prices. That's what I was beginning, we were doing. But now my primary focus changed towards teaching AI. But still, if your requirements are relevant to my skill set, I can do that. I'm not designer. Okay, so for that, a lot of templates are there, or even we can use ChatGPT to come up with designs. Okay, but for creating any kind of website, based on your custom requirements, I can do that. Okay, and let me check any questions. No questions, right? Okay, so once you decide the domain name, deciding domain name, hosting, that and all needs a lot of experience. Okay, lot of things are there. Choosing appropriate domain, the domain extension, and other things. Maybe if you need my consultancy, maybe you can contact me. But that if you're contacting me through the this kinds of live session, it is free. Otherwise, if you want me to discuss that through Google Meet or something personally, you have to book my time. Okay, so in that case, I can suggest to share my experience, because I have been doing website flipping also for a long time, but right now I am not doing. So based on that experience, I can share which kind of domains are worth for you, what are the benefits, what are the disadvantages, like that I can discuss. Okay, I cannot tell anything solidly, but I can brainstorm with you. So from that, you can come up with some kind of conclusion. Okay, that the domain selection is very important, and hosting selection, and hosting the site, other things, and making it very efficiency from various perspective, loading speed, and mobile friendly, and SEO perspective. So that kind of stuff I can involve very effectively. Okay, but I will do that on based on the hourly charges. Okay, that's the important thing I want to make. Previously, I explored both things: hourly charges and fixed price. Fixed price is not working effectively. So right now, since I am focusing more on teaching, that for that hourly charge is the only way, right? So I would like to standardize. So for any kind of work, I am charging based on the hours. Okay, except my products, obviously. I sell timesheet, that kind of products. Okay. Okay. So once after establishing your website, like in the website itself, you need to consider various things. So in the beginning, I missed a lot of things, right? So in the website, you need to consider about lead capturing. Okay, the funneling should be very effective. So maybe based on your products and your plans, maybe we can discuss personally based on your budget, other things. But generally, that website should be mobile friendly, SEO friendly. Okay, and the loading speed also should be very good, and it should be accessible based on your customers. Suppose your customers are there throughout the world, then your site should be accessible throughout the world, right? That is important. In case of hosting, if your hosting server is located in particular country, other countries that are far away from that country may face some delays, right? So in that case, you have to use CDN, that kind of things, and security. For that, maybe you need to use the services like Cloudflare, Like a lot of things are there in that case. Once you settle with all those things, then you can start working on getting traffic to that. So before that, don't do that things. Okay, just to settle with all these basic things, so do the rigorous testing, then start sharing content and list your products, and then start the promotion activities. Okay, so the promotions you can do through the various social media sites. Okay, like uh, Twitter, currently X, right? And you can use YouTube, and you can use um, Facebook, Instagram. Okay, so LinkedIn. Okay, for professional services, you can use for LinkedIn. And that strategy, you cannot just share the link. You need to think about the proper strategy, and you have to systematically work, and you shouldn't be expecting more traffic immediately. Okay, if you use any kind of shortcuts or any kind of temporary things, it will affect your actual performance. Okay, so just to do it simply, step by step. Don't expect to make money by making sales very quickly. Okay, do it step by step, like but do that all the steps very effectively, and in a very small scale. Initially do it in a very small scale, and starting from domain registration. So just to go with the available domain. Okay, in the coming days, if you are able to invest some money for getting your favorite domain, that is different. Okay, but don't start with that first. Okay, at any time you can do the redirection. You can buy the use both domain names. Okay, and you can brand only one domain later. Okay, so that and all easy technically, so you need not spend any money initially. And once after deciding the hosting and setting up the servers, website, and as I said, the website should be provided with all the features like uh, I mean lead capturing, and like analytic details, adding Google Analytics, other things. Okay, and then keep posting continuously in the blog. Okay, and then promote your product seamlessly. Don't push it as advertisement. Okay, and I would suggest creating a YouTube channel, and YouTube channel that will be useful for promoting your website. Okay, and share a lot of useful information about your product, or not only your product, that domain related to your product. Share a lot of information, especially useful tips to the users. Okay, and that case people will be sharing that video. In the description you can tell about your product, you can provide your product link, and give some discounts. Okay, so that is a good strategy. So maybe you can share discount code and use affiliates to promote the product. Okay, so if you want more details about how to set up affiliate network, other things, maybe you can discuss with me. Okay, and the best traffic is SEO, search engine optimization. That is search engine traffic, organic traffic. Okay, because that is targeted traffic. People will be searching something, and they are looking for your product. Okay, so that conversion rate will be good. Social media traffic may not be that much useful, but you can, as I said, you can share the relevant information, and in the meantime you can include your link. Okay, link to your product, so that will be helpful to reach more people. Okay, so in that case it's okay. If someone is willing to get that product, they will be get it. Okay, but in case of search traffic, it's organic traffic, highly targeted traffic, so that will be really useful. So we have to work on to get the search traffic, but these days it is very difficult because of the highly competitive nature. It is very difficult to get organic traffic from search engines, and in that case still ranking well on search engines are still relevant, because If you go with paid traffic, that case, this good organic ranking is very important to save money. Okay, so that is the other thing. So I'll be explaining those things in detail. Just in this live, I would like to give some overview, and I'm waiting for questions for anyone to ask that questions. If someone is asking the question, I'll be giving answers for that question. That is the purpose of this live session. Okay. Um, okay. Then we have to do the promotion, paid advertisement. That is very important these days. Okay, but don't start with more money. Okay, so we will be losing money. We have to start with simple things. Maybe simple Facebook advertisement, Google Ads, but with the daily budgets of very very limited, very less amount. Okay, and just add highly relevant keywords, and then like target fully, and just to come up with a proper advertise campaign promotional images or text. Okay, and that should be relevant, and as I said, you should be giving some discounts and call to action and limited time discount, that kind of stuff. So just try to do the conversion, increase the conversion rate. Okay, so do it in a genuine way. That is very very important, so people can easily understand if you are trying to do some manipulation. Okay, and that's what very important thing in any kind of business. That is applicable for online business also. Okay, so as I said, I shared a lot of my experience in this book, my experience of earning money online. Here I highlighted my earning money through AdSense. Okay, so that is also one important thing. Suppose if you are planning to get traffic to your website, you can earn additional money by showing advertisements, Google Ads, AdSense advertisements also. That advantages is there. In case of Amazon or any other third party sites, you may not be getting that option. Okay, so my suggestion is first to find good product which can solve the problems of people. That is very important. The products won't sell just because you created in a like a great way, or you are putting a lot of efforts to come up with that product. Okay, the products will be selling only when the people problems are solved by your product. Okay, so just to come up with that strategy and look for the problems faced by the people and create a product to solve that. Okay, in that case, uh, once after coming up with the product, then you have to build a website for making the sales. Okay, and keep on adding blog posts and videos to tell about your product in an informative manner. Okay, don't push it in a as an advertisement. Okay, okay, once you are ready with all these things, do the social media promotion effectively. Share that content continuously on social media, and do the collaboration work. Maybe you can connect with other influencers, and you can discuss with them, and even you can do some kind of paid collaboration also. And then the real business is doing paid promotion. Okay, but don't do it in initial days. First you have to make sure that the product is liked by the people, you are getting positive reviews, then only start doing the paid advertisements to reach a lot of people. And start with low budget. Once you reach the positive ROI, then increase the scale it. Okay, so the best approach is like in case if you are going with Google Ads advertisement, don't start with display advertisements. Start with search advertisements. As I said, if everything is going smoothly and you are earning good money, then only start doing the display advertisements or other kinds of advertisements to scale it. Okay, I did this mistake of not following this my own advice because I am not aware of that things previously. Now I can understand how the things are working. Okay, so I'm just sharing my experience with you, so you need not do the same mistakes done by me. Okay. Okay, suppose if you want my assistance or guidance for running any paid advertisements, you can contact me. I can work on based on hourly charges. Okay. Any other questions? Let me check. So no. Since our digital progress, do you find a large number of buying that request a refund after they have received your product, basically wanting something for free? Okay, Prince is asking this question. Since these are digital products, do you find a large number of buying that request a refund after they have received your product, basically wanting something for free? Okay, so I faced this issue when I was actively selling my timesheet product. That also a digital product. That apart from timesheet, that time I was like selling lot of digital products, software product. Okay, right now I keep only the timesheet alone. I closed all the other things. Okay. So here in the timesheet, I directly sell using PayPal. Okay. So previously I faced that issue. People will be buying the product and then they will be getting refund from PayPal. Then I found that PayPal is not allowing digital products refunds, right? So I just uh, uh, I share that information in the disputes, and I used to win after that. Previously, my disputes will not be successful. Okay, so we need to read the terms and conditions properly. But these days, I'm not getting any kind of refund request. Okay, maybe PayPal in the first stage itself they are blocking or something. Okay, so that problem is not big, and but your question is really valid because some people used to do that. I used to see that pattern in Udemy. Sometimes it will be showing the uh, sales. After that it will be rolled back because of refunds. Okay, that things happen. But anyway, we are selling digital product, right? So it's we are not spending money for creating multiple copies, right? So in that case, it's not going to impact much. It's not a big deal. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Okay, so once after doing the paid advertisements, we need to provide proper supports. That's also very important. Like now we can even we can create chatbots for doing support, but personal it is better to have a personal chatbot. I tried this one, the timesheet. Maybe you can see this, right? So this is using HubSpot. Okay, so any kind of support system because the internet is flooded with lot of like millions of websites, right? In most of them are fake or suppose if you make the payment, they won't be sending the product, right? So people, that is the reason why the big companies like Amazon are performing well because they build the trust with their customers, right? So, but as a beginner or any random person, we cannot expect that kind of trust, right? So, in that case, we have to build the trust by like talking to the potential customers. So, we have to include chatbot or any kind of like customer support numbers like that. We have to provide email. So we then mostly they will be trying to discuss with us so that they can make sure that we are real sellers, right? Otherwise, a lot of fake people are there. They will be just listing the product. They may not be having that product. So after getting the payment, they will be just vanishing. Okay, so that kind of issues are there, and One more thing is if we deal the payments directly, I heard that a lot of people who are stealing the credit cards, they will be trying to uh, make the purchase, then they will refund it in a proper way. That making payment will be from the stolen card, okay, but they will be getting the refund to their actual bank account or something, okay. So that kind of issues are there. That case, there is a possibility of losing money, okay. And that is the reason why now I am fully depending on the Gumroad, okay. But still, for this timesheet product, I'm just using PayPal directly. But normally for my new products like AI course and books, I'm just selling through this rajamanikan.com, which is Gumroad site, okay. So in that case also, Gumroad also sometimes they reverse the uh, sales, because that buyers will be using stolen cars, and they will be doing chargeback with the card provider itself, okay. So that kind of issues are there, still there. Even if the platform is not supporting the refund, the buyer will be getting the refund by claiming with their credit card providers, okay. Chargeback will be happening, okay. So that and all there, but that is the reason why personally I'm focusing more on digital products, okay. So in that case, we are not going to lose any actual money, right? So we will be losing that sales, that is okay. But the product, I understand your question. They will be using that product because it's a digital product. They cannot return it. But still, personally, we will be we are not going to lose any money, right? In case of physical product sales, if they are getting refund and they are not returning the product, then it's loss of money, right? So that perspective, it is low risk. That is what my personal opinion. Okay, but the problems are there. That is the reason why I avoided direct sales through PayPal or any other payment gateway. Okay, so I actually, for selling T-shirts, other things, I just set up one website, and I thought of dealing that directly through PayPal. But after reading about various negative stories about fake chargebacks and a lot of issues, stolen card usage of stolen credit cards, other things, I just stopped that. So if we are beginner, it is always better to start safely. Maybe once after getting more experience and more we are ready to spend money for security purposes, then we can deal that things, okay. Okay, so personally, my experience is setting out the other things we can easily learn. Or the big problem is, or the challenge is, getting actual relevant traffic. For that, we have to work, keep on working, and we need to add quality content. And mostly, we have to provide everything for free. Okay, in that case, it will be spreading. Personally, actually, I'm these days I'm earning money from one-on-one coaching, okay. But that one-on-one coaching, if I get the one-on-one coaching through that third party platforms like preply.com, right now I'm using that one. In that case, I need to uh, give the free trial for them. That platform will be charging the money from the student, but they won't make that money to the tutor, okay, the first class. And then they will be taking 33 percentage commission, okay. uh, so that is not good, right? So in that case, selling products for very low price will be useful. For me personally, I'm getting students through this link, one-on-one AI coaching. Here I just added details about how to contact me, other things, okay. That case without third party platform, okay. So they can directly contact me. And I used to provide this link in or specify about this offer in my books, okay. So whether it's Amazon books or rajamanikam.com here. Even the rajamanikam.com, I used to send some offers through email, that newsletter, right? So that case it is useful. It's like lead magnet, right? Basically it's a lead magnet. So the funneling, we have to consider that funneling properly. So first we have to give some very low price thing. So you have to follow that. You have to so freely upload some tutorials about your domain. So for example, I'm selling AI course, so in that case I will be conducting free webinars about RAG, AI agents, that kind of stuff. So people who are joining that, they will be interested in buying my book. Then those who are buying my book, they may be interested in joining one-on-one coaching. So it's step by step process. Okay. So in that case, I'm able to get some leads for my one-on-one AI coaching. Okay. So that's how the businesses will be working. So we cannot expect sales immediately. Okay. But somehow our efforts will be returning if we do or integrate all our efforts. So we have to provide free content, and we have to sell very low priced product, and we need to collect the newsletter kind of email ID. Okay. So that is lead capturing should be there. Lead capturing, people will not just share that email with you without getting any benefits, right? So for that you need to provide free ebooks or something, or free samples or whatever it is. Okay. That is one thing. And many people are saying that subscription is the key for the success of online business. Okay, but I haven't tried. Even in case of timesheet, many people suggested me to offer as a SaaS instead of selling the code itself. But because of the practical difficulties in maintaining the things, other things, that time we were working on various other projects also. So I decided to sell it as a, source code. Okay, but SaaS means we will be getting payment on every month, right? So people are saying that that is a good business opportunity. And even I just started this QPT membership also. Okay. So membership. So for the members, I will be sharing the new books and courses freely. Like that, I started. But that and all can happen once we get lot of initial sales, right? So what I'm saying that it is one way of getting continuous money. Okay, but we cannot expect that kind of membership sales initially. Okay. Um, so my suggestion is first to create a lot of free content through blog posts and YouTube videos, that kind of stuff. Share that in the description, and the blog post include about your product. And uh, in the product itself, give a lot of offer discount initially. Okay. Get some reviews. Reviews are important, but I noticed that a lot of people are using some kind of fake reviews, right? People can easily understand or differentiate between the actual reviews and fake reviews. So so it is always better to get the actual reviews. Okay. So natural reviews, even if someone is saying that it is not good, no need to delete that kind of stuff. Just keep that. That will be giving some kind of trust, right? And explain the things. Say for example, I'm just telling some somewhat different example, but you can relate it. For my YouTube videos, mostly the comments will be saying that this tutorial videos. Okay. This tutorial is not understandable, and the accent is your accent is very heavy. I cannot listen to you like that. I'm taking it as positive way, because I will be able to saying, yeah, I will be able to say the or convey the message that people can turn on the closed captions, because I used to I include a lot of almost for all videos I used to include subtitles. Okay. So they can just switch on and they can read the text if they find it difficult to listen to my voice. Okay. So I can convey that message, so other potential buyers or potential viewers will be understanding that, and they will be taking the decision based on that fact. Okay. So we can make use of that negative feedback as opportunity to convey some message, right? So just grow the or get the reviews organically. Okay. So reviews are important. There is no question, but do it in a proper way. Okay. Okay, so as summary, I can say that create a useful product or join us affiliate, and create your website, do the personal branding, and create your website with like a proper SEO, proper mobile friendliness, and because most of the people are now making the purchase from mobile, so it should be mobile friendly. Okay, and it should be loading fast, and you have to use CDN so that it can load fast throughout the world. Uh, okay, and don't rely on single platform. Give more importance to particular platform, your own platform, and other than that, make the sales through other platforms also. For example, AI course, apart from selling from rajamanikam.com, I'm selling from Udemy, Skillshare also. Okay. um, and books also, I'm apart from selling from rajamanikam.com, I'm selling from Amazon. Okay. And the key thing is getting traffic. It is not that easy. So almost anyone can reach up to this level, right? So anyone can do these things: getting domain, creating product, listing the product, adding content, sharing the content on social media. All these things everyone will be doing, but that people mostly they won't be having enough patience to wait for the traffic. That will take a lot of time. Okay, you have to keep on doing all these things continuously. You have to like come continuously add more content, share it on social media. You need to grow your social media. You have to explore more social media, and you have to, like, all your social media you need to like properly interlink the things, like set your logo and links properly. So that kind of things you need to keep on doing. That you have to get the newsletter subscribers, and you need to send useful newsletter content continuously. So that and all will take time. You cannot expect immediate trust building and traffic. Okay. That case, it will be slowly picking up. Okay, so you have to, but you don't do in a very large scale also, because maintenance will become very huge. Just to choose the appropriate social media, and just like relevance is important. Instead of having thousands of followers, even if you have 100 relevant followers, that will give good sales compared to thousands of irrelevant followers. Okay, so consider that fact also, and that thing, give share relevant information, stick on to any specific thing. So every, if you if you take something very magic product, that case itself, the selling that product is not that much easy. Okay, that is the current state. Okay, of marketing and sales. So in that case, you have to first do detailed analysis about choosing a product and service, and then stick on to that specific one, and do the continuous hard work to tell about that thing through free blog post and tutorial videos. Then do the proper social media building and sharing. Okay, for that you can use AI extensively. Okay, because doing manually is a good thing, that I agree, but because of the high competition and the current nature, we need to effectively use AI tools to save time and do the things effectively, and if possible do the scheduling other things. Okay, and if you are selling some product, it is always better to release a lot of free ebooks about that product, so that people can share it with others. And uh, moreover, while downloading the free books, you can collect their email ID for sending newsletters. Okay, that is basically lead capture, right? We need to be implementing lead capture system properly. Okay, so any questions you can ask me. So these are all the overview about setting up online business, small scale online business. As I said, the key thing is getting traffic. So first we have to stick on to the social media promotions, and then we need to do the PPC ads, pay per click ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, like that. Start with small thing. That is the major part of the product sales. Okay, so you need to continuously tweak the campaigns. Okay, and based on the feedback, you need to track the conversion, and then based on that metrics, you need to fine tune the campaign. But you have to do it in a appropriate time. No, don't drastically change the things immediately. Okay, uh, we have to wait for certain time period, and then we do need to do the proper analysis, and then we have to implement the changes. Okay, so these things maybe we can discuss separately. If any questions are there, I will be answering here. In the meantime, I will be telling about my products. Uh, right now, I'm focusing more on this AA course, and I'm doing one-on-one AA coaching. Okay, and I sell books through Amazon. Okay, and I sell timesheet software here. So if you need links for any of the products, just let me know. I will share that. And people can earn money by joining as affiliate for promoting my product, like this course. Okay, uh, AA course. This AA course has more than 8 hours of tutorial videos and lot of ebooks, AA related ebooks. Okay, so it can sell well. So in that case, joining as an affiliate is an effective way of earning money easily. Easily in the sense comparing to other approaches. Any kind of online money making thing is really a tough one. If someone is saying that you can easily earn money, these people earn this much money, means mostly that should be fake. Okay, but it's fundamentally it's true. We can earn a lot of money from online, but initially it's not that much possible, right? Once we establish enough, say for example, right now I have 45 affiliates. Suppose if that number of affiliates are, they are making good money and they are telling that opportunity to others, if hundreds of or thousands of affiliates are joining, then I can easily earn money, right, without adding any new product or without doing anything from my side. Okay, so that kind of opportunities are there. A lot of people are earning money, there is no question. But if someone is saying that if you follow my steps, or if you read my book, or if you join my course, or if you get my tool, or if you join this seminar or something, if that kind of claims, means mostly they will be fake. Especially on social media, if someone is saying that he earned this much money, means their purpose is like it's a trap. Okay, so someone is saying that earned a lot of money. That they I used to see a lot of that kind of post. All are very tricky, but at the end, their purpose is selling something to you. Okay, so don't believe in that. They even my products I won't be selling, because some affiliates asked me to change the wordings here. Instead of just telling these facts of the course, they asked me to say that this course will be useful for getting job for them, like that. So I don't want to do that in that way. Okay, so but normally people who are trying to sell something, instead of selling that, they will be just simulating the viewers by saying that we can earn that much money easily, like that. It's not true. Okay, so you need to be very careful. But overall it is true, but whatever they are saying may not be true. Okay, overall, from online, a lot of people are earning good money because of the nature of reaching global audience, right? Lot of audiences are there, but millions of people are trying that. So we need to come out from the baseline, right? So once we are coming out from that thing, we can easily earn money. So that pattern I observed with my YouTube channel, right? So in case of doodle videos, normally we'll be getting 300 400 views only. But if my video is reaching the Google homepage, suddenly it will be becoming like 40,000, 50,000 views. Okay. And we can easily earn money from that. Okay, so that kind of nature is there in case of any kind of online business. That is the nature. If your visibility is increasing, then it can go viral. Okay, so then you will be keep on getting more traffic, more sales. Okay, but reaching that place is not that much easy. So that is 100% true. There is no question about it. Okay, it's really really tough. Someone is saying that it is easy, then it's obviously fake. But it's not doable. You can do, and based on your efforts, surely you can get some benefits. Okay. um, as I said, even if the things are not selling, you can earn money from AdSense or some workarounds you can find. Okay, but you have to genuinely work. You have to find super good product that is really useful for solving people's problem. And you need to know your domain very well, and share a lot of useful information through blog post and video, and share that through newsletters, and provide free ebooks as a lead magnet for collecting the email IDs for or getting subscribers for your newsletter, and keep on sharing more content through the newsletter. Inside the content, tell about your product, and if people are interested in the product, they will be checking that. Keep your website SEO friendly, and with lead capture mechanism and Google Analytics, like mobile friendliness. So full-fledged, clear website. Okay, and uptime should be high. There shouldn't be any uh, downtime, and support chart or something to build the trust. Not only for building the trust, for clarifying any questions. Okay. But suppose if you're not online, just make sure that you are almost most of the platforms are having that options. If you're not online, you can make it as not online. So in that case, they can contact you through email. So in that case, provide your email or phone number. Okay. And get the feedback and do the follow up. Some people, normally people may not buy it from the first time itself. They We have to follow up that, right? Suppose if some inquiries are there, then we have to ask them, either we have to directly ask whether they need any issues in buying the product, or you can just keep contact with them by sending some updates or any kind of free offer or some discount offer or something. Okay, so the follow up is very important. Okay. So any questions? So can you please make a detailed video on RAG and LLM? So I already uploaded RAG video. I will just show that. And even I did a free webinar about RAG. So here in my channel, you can check the playlist courses. Okay. So here I added a lot of videos. One such video is RAG. You can find that. This one, RAG. But this video I uploaded long back. Okay. But it's a somewhat useful video. Maybe in the coming days, I will be doing some webinars. Okay. But this video covers everything, embeddings and rack pipeline. Okay. So, uh, so I did a lot of tutorial videos. Okay. What is AI, famous and useful AI tools, prompt engineering, AI jargon for beginners, Google Teachable Machine, list of AI tools, understanding AI basics, which is simple examples, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Whisper model, TensorFlow playground. Okay. So a lot of things, Python for AI developers, RAG, hallucinations. Okay, you can just check that playlist. You can find a lot of information. But I am thinking about adding another video about RAG, because this video, like it's around 20 minutes. 20 minutes, it covers various things like RAG pipeline and RAG workflow, like lot of things are there, but I would like to add more things because the rag evaluation, that things I haven't touched in that things, but that are very important thing. Either I will be adding a separate video. I already posted a separate blog post about rag evaluation. Lot of rag related posts are there, you can just check that. Visit blog.qualitycontact.com and search for RAG, open source tools for RAG, the AI Swiss Army knife, agentic RAG, applications of RAG, evolution of RAG, self RAG, overview of RAG, graph RAG, vector database for RAG, why is RAG important, RAG evolution metrics. So this is a very key thing. I would like to create another video or like new video about RAG, including this information. RAG versus CAG versus fine tuning, symbol RAG with LangChain, recurrent RAG, subreddit for learning RAG, cosine similarity versus dot product versus Euclidean distance in RAG. Okay, okay. So just you can click the check that details. Okay, so I am planning for a better video. Okay, so I will be doing it later. Okay. Personally, I believe RAG is very important. And whoever is contacting me for learning AI, mostly they are willing to learn RAG. So obviously, we know the reason, right? So LLMs are really powerful. They are trained with a lot of data, and their GPT architecture is very good. Everything's good, but still fundamentally they lack certain things, like they are subject to hallucination, and they lack private information, they lack public information, like I mean latest information. Okay, they use only the publicly trained data. So in that case, it is not suitable for commercial usage. So that is why the companies are looking for RAG developers for dealing that. So the learning RAG is very simple, but making any RAG pipeline for the specific use case is really a tough one. I'm just getting a lot of different experiences by talking to various people. Like I keep on doing one-on-one coaching, right? So everyone has a different kind of thing, and I used to go through various discussions happening with social media sites like Reddit about RAG, and so I am planning to give some updated information. Maybe I will be doing some free webinar about RAG. Actually, a few days back also I did. Maybe you can check that also. You can check the live tab. So check the live. So learn. So this one, 12 days back I did YouTube live to discuss AA, ML, DL, RAG. Okay. So it's around, like it's a very lengthy video only. Okay. So there I shared a lot of information. Okay. But as I said earlier, right now for some reason my YouTube channel is not recommended to the subscribers. I have 70,000 subscribers because of the frequent changes happened with my content. Previously I started with software testing, then emerging technologies news, now AI. So the content or topic or domain is getting changed, right? So normally people who subscribe for knowing about software testing, they may not be interested in knowing about emerging technologies. So because of that topic change, the YouTube algorithms are not recommending my uh, live or any new videos to the subscribers. Okay, so I'm just hesitating to spend more time here. Okay, Anyway, I already did this like 12 days back itself. I talked about drag in detail. Suppose if you're interested, you can watch. Okay. So yesterday I did this one, land Python using ChatGPT. So I'm planning for like a sequence of these kinds of lives. Okay, I will keep on doing. Though YouTube is not recommending my videos to others, I personally I believe people who are watching this video, even if, initially they may be below 100, but if they like my video, they will be sharing it with others. So in that perspective, it can reach a lot of people, right? So my only aim is right now to improve the quality of my video. So for that, I am exploring various things. Okay, so I will be doing that, and I hope it will reach more people. So in that time period, I will be spending more time for preparing for further tutorials. Okay, okay. So for doing online business, we need to create a product and then support and website with proper SEO and mobile friendliness and support and loading and a lot of factors are there. Just a effective website, okay, and then lead capture system and sharing free content on social media, building social media followers and doing the paid advertisements finally. Okay, so if you need any personal guidance for affordable hourly charges, you can hire me. But as I said, remember that making any online sales is not that much easy. So in that case, you can first start with these kinds of affiliate marketing. In that case, you will be saving a lot of time. You need not spend time for creating your own product, other things, right? Your own website, nothing. Just you have to do the social media marketing, other things. So right now there is a huge demand for AI, and everyone is in the condition of learning AI, right? Companies are asking the people to learn AI, and businesses are requiring AI skills to be meaningful in this current AI era. So everyone needs to learn AI. So people's problem is now they have to learn AI. So my AI course is addressing that thing. Okay, so this is like a first. It is addressing the first point. Okay, yeah, that product should address the people's problem. Uh, right now, other similar AI courses they are charging hundreds or thousands of dollars. Okay, I'm selling it for very affordable price by hoping that I can do the upsells in the coming days. Okay, so the conversion will be really good. And again, for affiliates, I'm sharing 50 to 75 percentage affiliate commission, so they can easily earn significant money even if I set a very low price. Okay, so it's a good opportunity. Just to contact me by sending an email to me, rajamanikam.a@gmail.com, if you are interested in joining us affiliate. Okay. And if you are very much interested in joining us affiliate, I can guide you by spending a lot of time to teach you about how to effectively do the promotion and how to use AI tools like ChatGPT to create promotional images and content. Okay. So, okay. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, sir, we can make own commercial website for selling rather than using Amazon. Yes, we can make our own commercial website. Okay, but as I explained earlier, it involves a lot of risks also. Amazon means Amazon will be taking care of returns, everything, right? But in case of our own site, even a lot of free options like WooCommerce, that kind of uh, uh, tools are there. We can easily set up that. That is easy, but you need to take care of about the chargebacks and other things if you directly involve the payment. Otherwise, as I said, I'm using Gumroad. Okay, This rajamanikam.com is Gumroad based site. It's something similar to Amazon, but Amazon is taking full control, right? But Amazon gives this Gumroad gives a lot of like flexibility. Like I can set my own affiliate commission. Okay, I can use my own custom domain name. So a lot of that things. It's like getting the benefits of both Amazon as well as custom site. Okay, so any other questions? Okay, if there are any other questions, you can ask me. And personally, I would suggest using our personal website, right? Amazon, many, I have, I used to go through various discussions, and many people are saying that Amazon blocked me like that. Okay, even I personally use Amazon for selling my books. Okay, but there also I used to discuss with the various other authors, and they said suddenly Amazon blocked me like that. Okay, and we have very little control. But for example, uh, I was using YouTube AdSense earnings for a long time, starting from the year 2009 till a few years back, like more than 14 years. I have been using that, but after 14 years they just blocked my account, okay, without telling any reasons. Okay, so that kind of risks are there with third parties things. So it is always better to have our own domain something. Initially it will be a bit difficult, but in the long run, it will be useful. Okay, to mitigate the risk, it is always better to use both things. For example, in case of AI course, this rajamanikam.com, there won't be any organic traffic. We have to share it. But Udemy Skillshare will be bringing an organic traffic. But still, I am keeping this rajamanikam.com also, okay, as a risk mitigation thing, okay. But Udemy and Skillset, they provide their own traffic, right? And they will be taking their own commission. Similarly, one-on-one coaching also, I use third-party site like Proply.com for getting students. But apart from that, I'm just promoting this direct uh, payment also. Okay, so it is always better to use our own site, but just to use Amazon also. There is no harm in that, right? Custom website takes a lot of charge, like domain, and using Amazon many charges may reduce, so which is best. That's what I'm explaining. Both you can you can always keep Amazon. There is no problem. But I don't know whether you are talking about physical product or e-books or something. Uh, but custom website, domain name, if you are using available domain name, the charges will be like around $20, that only. But you have to renew it on a yearly basis. Okay. Okay, so if you are not willing to spend that money, then it is better to sell through Amazon. But I haven't personally, I'm not selling personally through Amazon or any physical product. I'm only selling these e-books and books only through KDP only. So I don't know whether you are referring this KDP or actual Amazon selling. But anyway, the trust factor always there, right? Amazon, in case of Amazon, if you are very beginner, you don't have much following, Amazon is really useful. So no one will be believing any random website. Okay, so that is always there. Okay, so the internet has millions of websites, and most of the websites that sales are fake, or they will be selling low quality things. So customers will be potential customers will be hesitating to make the purchase from any random website. Okay, so in that case, selling through Amazon is useful. But in the long run, if you are able to build your brand, and you can establish a trust by sharing a lot of useful information, step by step, as I explained. First, share a lot of free information through blog posts and videos, and then share a lot of free ebooks, and capture the email, and then send freaking newsletters about what is happening in the industry related to your product. Okay, so newsletter kind of stuff will, that kind of things will be creating some kind of trust, and start selling low priced products first, then you can include high ticket, and use the affiliates. So the step by step you can do in case of your own website. Amazon already has lot of millions of affiliates, so they can easily make the sales. Okay, but it's not good for long time. Okay, so that's what my suggestion. They can block you at any time, they can bury your item below the hundreds of products at any time, so that kind of risks are there. Okay, any questions? Okay, thanks. And if you want to have your own blog, you can use the free platforms like Blogger. Okay, so this Blogger, though this blog.qualitybanktech.com is using custom domain name, actually it is Blogger blog. Okay, Blogger is free. But as I explained earlier, the key thing is getting traffic. Okay, it's a very very challenging one. So in that case, always better to start with, go with third party sites like Amazon initially, but parallelly spend at least a few hours for establishing your brand by having your site or YouTube channel, whatever. Suppose if you don't want to spend any money, you can start your own channel, YouTube channel or Blogger blog, or whatever free tools available. Okay, so just to start doing that. Through that, you can promote your Amazon products, Amazon link. Okay, and then later on, slowly you can change. Okay. Okay. Any other questions? Okay. Okay. Here, as I said, I am selling a lot of books through Amazon. If you are interested to get uh, any other details, just contact me by sending an email. I can give more details. Okay. And my highest priority is finding affiliates for this AI course sales. Okay, it's a really win-win approach. It's like a win-win-win for everyone. Buyers will be getting a low-priced course that is really useful at this moment, and affiliate can earn 50 to 75 percentage affiliate commission. For me, I can easily make sales using affiliate, right? So it's a win-win approach. So I'm just looking for affiliates, because I already put a lot of hard work in creating this course. Affiliates need not spend that much time to create the course, even if they are good at AI. Creating AI course is not that much easy, right? This course I created in a a full-fledged way, it is useful for both beginners as well as professionals. In that case, any kind of affiliate can use it. Even if you don't know much about AI, you can just promote it in a way that it is useful for beginners, like that, right? So but for doing effective promotion, you should be knowing what other things are available here. Maybe I can teach that step by step. If you are actively doing affiliate promotion, I can spend significant time for guiding you further. Okay. So this is what I just wanted to achieve right now, getting some active affiliates. So if you know any of your friends who are looking for that kind of online earning opportunity, for them it's a good thing. Okay, as I said, getting traffic is not that much easy. Even if you prepare with your site and everything, like millions of people are trying to do that, that after 1 or 2 years they will be just like stopping that kind of initiatives. So that 2 years of work will be wasting. They will be wasting that 2 years of work, right? So to avoid that kind of steps, better you can just start with a simple affiliate promotion, because right now I'm offering this 50 to 70 percentage commission, right? So it's a good thing, so you can consider as your product itself, right? Because you will be getting 75 percentage commission. So that case, you can do all that thing. And if you need any details, and if you want to include any other useful information here, I will be listening to the feedback. I'll be, but I won't be like doing any kind of like aggressive things here, okay? Like some people are asking me to add sentences like it can help them to get a job or like something. I don't want to do any that kind of any misleading things, okay? Okay. Okay, this is my main agenda. Then, other than that, recently I did these lives, learn Python using ChatGPT. If you're interested, watch this, and learn AI from QPT blog post. Here I talked about my blog posts that are useful for learning AI. So this one I talked about, this one, learn AI for free and earn through affiliate revenue. There I announced about hiring interns, okay, for promoting my AI course. So if you are interested in that, you can watch that. This one from rajamanikam.com. I'm using Gumroad for selling the course. But from my blog, I'm just selling directly. Okay, so you can click a course offer. Here directly means I can avoid uh, that Gumroad commission, right? So I will be able to sell it for very low price, 300 rupees in India, $8 globally. So if you want to use that offer, you can use. That's what I shared here. And AA quiz, this one, like you can visit qualitypointtech.com/quiz. Okay. So here you can test your knowledge. Maybe I will share that link. Okay. So you can test your knowledge in AI basics, prompt engineering, generative AI, Python, machine learning, deep learning, RAG, data science, LLM, agents like that. Okay. So you can just attend the question. If you click the right answer, it will be showing as green. Okay. You can next move to next, and finally it will be showing the score. Okay. And apart from that, I provided this chatbot also, so that you can learn AI. It will be guiding you to learn AI. Okay, you can ask any questions. Okay, and next video is books. So here in this video, I talked about RAG. People who are interested in learning RAG, they can watch this live. Here I talked about my one-on-one AI coaching. Okay, so this is about my motivational book. Okay, this is one-on-one coaching through properly. Okay, but I won't recommend that. I will recommend contacting me directly. Okay, like for every new book, I used to do some kind of live. Okay, so you can check that. Okay. Okay, so any other questions? Okay. Okay, so if you are interested in learning software testing, web development, and AI, or digital marketing, or running YouTube channel, so for any kind of things, you can just contact me. I can do that teaching for our affordable hourly charges. Okay, and running YouTube channel, I have been doing it for many years. Okay, previously I was earning money from YouTube videos through AdSense, so I put lot of efforts for that, and I learned a lot of things. I used to participate in various discussions and meetings, so from there I gained a lot of experience about running YouTube channel effectively. But recently, as I explained earlier, YouTube is not recommending my videos. Okay, so, and moreover my AdSense account got disabled, so I just to put a hold on that kind of stuff. But anyway, if you want to start a YouTube channel and earn money from that channel, I can guide you how to do it effectively based on my experience. Even I just released a book few years back about that. This book, how to earn money from YouTube videos, my experience with YouTube. It's available on Amazon also. Okay, so you can read that. But things are getting changed, so that fundamental things you can take from that book. But if you want to do it practically, you can get my guidance through one-on-one coaching. Okay, still YouTube is a very good source of income. Okay, any other questions? Okay. Okay, let me highlight all the things again. For reading a related blog post, visit my blog searching QPT blog. Okay, QPT, search for QPT blog. Okay, and then click this quality point technologies, and you can find a lot of blog post. Okay, so you can find a lot of blog post. I'm posting from the year 2008 itself. Okay, so you can get lot of information here. And next thing is this rajamanikam.com. Here I am selling my AI course. It's a very, very important product. In the coming days, I will be fully focusing on these things. Okay, you can earn money as an affiliate. It's a easy way of earning money at this moment. Okay, and for attending or testing your AI knowledge, check my AI quiz. Okay, I shared the link through the chat. And for buying my other books available at Amazon, you can click this my books link. Okay, there you can click US link or India link, whatever, wherever you are living. Okay, and you can check my live sessions. Recently, I started doing live frequently to clarify any questions. Okay, and you can watch AI course tutorial videos by clicking this courses tab. Okay, and for long time period I have been doing the task of uploading emerging technology news. Okay, so suppose if you are interested in emerging technologies, just check that kind of playlist. Okay, here the emerging technologies podcast, like, not this one, technology news will be there, that also about emerging technologies. Okay, so if you are interested in solar power, you can click this one. And if you're interested in knowing graphene, you can click this playlist. Okay, CRISPR gene editing, virtual reality. This is artificial intelligence. This playlist will list all the AI related innovations and research related things. Okay, more than 300 videos are there. This one is Learn AI. This is about learning tutorial videos. Okay, So based on your interest, you can focus on any specific playlist. Okay, nanotechnology, health and medical. So this one has more than 600 videos. Okay, so this one, it has 2222 videos are there. So this is very important one. Previously I have been focusing more on that playlist. Now I stopped that kind of things because right focusing more on uh, AI related tutorial videos. Okay, suppose anyone still interested in watching this, you can check the playlist. Okay, okay. Any other questions? Okay, no other questions. Okay. In that case, just I will be talking about how I am doing one-on-one AI coaching. Okay. Before start doing one-on-one AI coaching, for a few months, I have been doing a batch kind of thing. Okay. So for that, I did two batches, cohort batch, right? So I for that I prepared a lot of uh, slides and sample coding. Okay. So I have these things: AI overview, machine learning, deep learning, RAG, LangChain, AI agents, AI chatbots, NLP, computer vision, MCP, context engineering, like that. Okay. And apart from that, I create a lot of code samples also. Okay. So a lot of code samples are there. But anyway, for one-on-one coaching, I will be teaching based on the students' current skill set and their expectation. Okay, so I can dynamically change the way of teaching and that syllabus kind of stuff, right? Okay, but what I'm trying to say is, I I already prepared with a lot of information so that we can effectively use our one-on-one coaching timing to tailor the coaching towards or suitable for the learner. Okay. Any other questions? Okay. Suppose if anyone is interested in getting one-on-one AI coaching, in that case, they can check this link. I will share that link. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. In the coming days, I will be just sharing more things. Especially, I will be teaching through ChatGPT. Yesterday, I did teaching of Python. Right, started teaching Python through ChatGPT. I will be coming days. I will be doing more things. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Bye.